How to find and cultivate fun. As a game developer, there is more to making a game than having something that responds to your button inputs. In fact, one of the harder goals and the main goal of a game designer is to find the fun. Game design is a series of knobs, dials and sliders, all of which can be adjusted and manipulated to maximize the player experience. So let's take a look at a recent example I personally have had to work with in my own game, Mimic. In the game, players have the ability to indirectly combat other players by casting ballots and voting for which other player should be targeted by their AI enemies. This presents a problem to solve though. We can't interrupt play. The game is a horror game, so any interruption or pausing of the action will mean a loss of the tension we have built up with the player. So how do we get the player to engage in a system that is designed to be optional but feel compelled to use it? So I took inspiration from real life and looked for similar problems that have been solved. This led me to advertising. Billboards and adverts pepper highways and the media as optional media for the audience to take part in, all designed to compel the viewer into purchasing or attending something. So, much like the billboards and adverts, we keep the voting mechanic more visible, as if it's in the player's mental periphery. Secondly, I adjusted the threat the AI poses so that the players will feel more of a benefit from taking advantage of the system. It's by adjusting these small but significant details that we can now see players more engaged and using the system more. So when you're thinking about your game and its design, finding the fun is a matter of looking at your core mechanics and adjusting them to maximize their desired output. For example, if you are making a platformer game, you'll want to spend your time on improving the jumping and movement controls and feel to make the simple act of getting around more fun. When you come to program or scripture games, you look for ways to insert these hooks, dials and levers to make it so that you can adjust it later and find the fun in your game.